Let's try out the viral Jet Puff Dr. Pepper drink and see if it's bussin' or disgusting. All right, first we need to cover the cup in Jet Puffed marshmallow cream. Let's get this cup nice and coated. Growing up, a lot of people always told me that dark sodas were like the worst ones for you. So I would always drink Sprite or like Fanta. But man, I don't know. I just been on a Dr. Pepper tip lately and it's bussin'. Ice in here. I'm gonna be using the Dr. Pepper strawberries and cream. I'm just gonna top off the cup. Whoa. We got the Dr. Pepper all poured up. Let's check it out. There's always these new drink combination food hacks coming out, and you know I gotta try them all. This one with the Jet Puff marshmallow cream and the strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper, bussin'. Y'all gotta check it out.